Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at PepsiCo. This is ticker PEP. Pepsi just might have all the right ingredients to help push the market higher. As you can see, for the last couple of months here, Pepsi has really just kind of been going sideways, building a nice high base of consolidation. We have this rising 200-day moving average and this flattening out 50-day moving average. That's the red line here. Now, I don't think this stock is ready for prime time just yet. But I will say I think it's worth having an alert and taking a look at Pepsi. If it breaks above this base of consolidation, that price level is $138.25. You know, the fact that the market has been going higher and Pepsi has been going sideways tells us that if stocks like Pepsi move higher, it could push the market higher with it. What you're doing is you're watching for a break of 138.25, and you're going to keep a stop just below the 50-day moving average, giving yourself less than 3% of risk. Could this have all the ingredients for a breakout? We'll have to watch and see. I hope this trade works out for you. Sign up to get charts like this delivered to your inbox at StockMarketMentor.com. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. Have a great night.